We're in IKEA. Look at the house.
It will pay 5.
Perspective house. Look at the chair.
Daddy.
Look at the chair, Mykhens. It's nice.
Daddy. Daddy.
And Teddy.
Yes,
I love to sit down here.
Hello. Hello.
Dining table. Look at this, guys. Wow. Very warm color. Nice. Look at the chandelier. Whoa.
It's a big flower.
Wow. Yeah, it's a big flower. Look at this. Nice TV. Whoa. Oh, with lights. That is so nice. There's Ate Rain, Tita Tere. Cool bench. Look at those different chairs.
Look at my daddy.
I love this color.
Look at my daddy.
And Teddy is here. Look at that. Oh, Sophie. Red chair. Yeah, I love IKEA. I love it. Look at these accents. The stripy and mustard color. Nice. Mykhens, look at this. Cute house. See, there's a work area here. It's like our house. Small house. Yeah. So nice. Yeah, tea party. There's some books there. Flower vase.
Who can reach up there?
Look at that.
One of these.
And Mykhens is there doing the tea party.
Look at this. Someone in the school just draw this and put it in a tree.
Whoa, what is this? An octopus? A jellyfish? And a dolphin? Yeah. Look at the plates. And a small teacup. For kids.
And this.
Oh, mirror.
Oh my gosh.
Nice. This is nice.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this.
Look at this. There's a guitar in here. Guys, look. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Yeah. I love this quotes. It's nice. Very true. Mykhens is relaxing on the rocking chair. And Sophie is in the okay. Footstool. It's a footstool cushion. Oh yeah, that's for kids. Nice, Sophie. Nice. Alright guys, look at this. I found a futuristic lamp which you can open it and yeah, you can close it. Whoa. Look at that. Awesome. Gonna open it? Wow. It's like a robot. Look at this, guys. There's a small dining table. This is the living area. And this is the bedroom. Kind of good for a small spacious house. And there's the bathroom. There's even a crib for the baby. Wow. Nice. And there's another washroom too. 2 washrooms. And here's the kitchen. Big cabinets. It's typically for smoke. It's like a bar. With these lamps. With this. Yeah, it's so nice. Look at this. So neat. Neat, clean, white. What's your order, sir? So nice. Look at this. Look at that. Lots of cabinets. Oh, it's a fridge. It's a fridge, look. Cool. With even oven. Oh no, it's not an oven. Oh. Color pen. Look at the house for the kids. Wow, pinkish. Look at that. So nice. It's so nice. Those elephants. Animal stuffed toys. Look at these guys. A&M. Nice bed for kids. Nice table. Top toys, you know. Study corner for kids. Nice. With a lamp in there. So cool. Look at these guys. Lots of stuffed toys. Whoa. Elephant, tiger, lion. Look at that. So cute. There's a lot of stuffed toys, Mykhens. That's Mykhens' friend. That's George the monkey. Right?
Yeah.
Look at this lion. This lion. It's like for a princess room. So nice. Look at that. Study corner. And yeah. So nice for a princess. Nice. Oh my bed. And there's a dress too, Sophie, look. It's a princess room. It's a princess room, Sophie. You like this room, Sophie?
You know, when I grow bigger, I'll have this bed.
Really?
Look!
Oh yeah, cute. All the stuffed toys and all. So nice. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Do you know how loved you are? Wow! Soon you will be having like this, Sophie? Guys, look at this. These are all carpets. So nice. It's like animal. Is this animal skin?
It's pink animals.
Really? Look at these guys. I love the fact that IKEA is like helping the local makers of things like crops. So yeah, they're supporting them, which is good. Nice. Lights here, lights everywhere. Look at this.
Flower dead. Is this a
plants. Look at
Yeah,
that.
and look. This is more bloody. Very,
Look at this, Michael.
look at that. The box, please.
Oh, yeah. It's worth it, guys.
Over here.
For whom is that, Michael? You're going to give it to mommy?
This is for the food study. I have a card.
Security, Michael. You just look around. See what I... Hot coffee and shawarma, guys.
I have the birthday again.